The first list has a 92% delivery, and I just want to figure out exactly what's going on. At this point, I would hop into the ESP. So if you see, this particular email has a 93% delivery rate. That isn't telling me much. I need to go just a step further to understand exactly what is going on. Going a step further means I'm going to take a look at the bounce report. So in this case, I can see right away, looks like our IP is being blocked by AT&T. And if you just take a moment just to read the message, it's going to tell you what to do. So for assistance, forward this error to abuse_RBL@abuse-att.net. So in this case, I'm going to go directly to AT&T and try to get them to mitigate the issue, because there isn't really much for me to do on my side in terms of shaping up and changing my behavior. We aren't sending a ton of volume. We didn't ignore any signs. This is just something that I know with this particular account. And so we just want to go ahead and put the ball in their court and see what will happen. This is not going to take us any time. You're going to go ahead and use the provided scripts, copy and paste that into your email. This is a proven script that I've refined over time. I do not stray away from this at all. The most I'll do is rewrite it or spin it using ChatGPT just to add some variation to it. But it tells the Postmaster team that we're using dynamic sending segments. We are monitoring performance. We're doing everything that we can to make sure we're only sending wanted mail to subscribers that want to receive messages from us. We have the details of our mail server, the IP address, the sending domain, the RDNS, which is the domain that the IP address resolves to, and then I include the specific error message as well. So I've received an email back from AT&T's Postmaster team, and as you can see, the IP has been delisted. So it says the mail server IP addresses associated with your request will be removed from the block list within 24 to 48 hours. Again, this script is a proven script, but the script means nothing if you're not actively doing everything within your power to keep your list clean, perform great list hygiene, and improve your sending practices.